We need a rectangle for this activity. I have been cutting this rectangle in a vertical form of A4 size paper. Later on, I am folding this rectangle into half, leaving 1 inch at the top. Now press it from the bottom, and the remaining 1 inch at the top will be folded from the reverse side, as you see on the screen. Now, once this is done, from the opposite side, we will cut a slant. This slant will give a shape of a planter. Now, I am making a due shaped, and these due shape will be used for making tulip flowers. I have been taking 9 due shapes and 6 are folded. Now, once they are folded and they are kept aside, again I will be taking a smaller rectangle that fits into the planter. So take a smaller size and stick your tulips on the 1 inch part, and your pot is ready.